So your fascia is really important. It is the connection between everything, between muscles, nerves, organs, tissue, cells, right? It connects everything. And inside of your fascia is this exclusion zone water, which is this crystalline fourth phase water. And this water and this fascia holds the water, and this water is our what we call quantum superhighway communication network. So it helps our body send messages and signals to where it needs to go. So this quantum communication superhighway in the fascia, this exclusion zone water, is sending the signals and messages between this like the fascia to your organs, to your cells, to your nerves, right, to your muscles, all the things, right, like all the places. So it like basically is sending those signals along this superhighway, right, with this water and this fascia. So you really want to nourish your fascia as much as you can. And of course, there are many ways that we do this. Basically, if we're nourishing our exclusion zone water, we will be nourishing our fascia. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are moving because movement helps nourish our fascia and our exclusion zone water. It helps us gather more electrons through the piezoelectric effect. Okay, so you want to be doing movement. That's going to help. Okay, sunlight and earthing both charge our exclusion zone water by helping our body generate more electrons. Like the body's actually electric, right? If you think of water, right, conducts electricity, right? That's how it moves, right? If you can understand that, that water it's moving light really through our body is what it's doing. The electric is really light that's moving through our body. So you want to be doing the things I'm always mentioning: getting out in the sunlight, getting out into nature by earthing, and movement. These are other ways that our body generates energy, and this will nourish your exclusion zone water and nourish your fascia and support your body's ability to be able to quantum communicate, to your cells to be able to communicate, your organs, your muscles, your tissues, your nerves. All these things will be able to communicate better. This creates more coherence in the body, okay? Because you want your body to be able to communicate its messages and signals, right? And I will say one other thing about fascia that you want to avoid highly if you want to nourish your fascia, because your fascia is made out of collagen. So if you really want to nourish your fascia, you also need to avoid glyphosate, because glyphosate is a herbicide weed killer that is used ubiquitously, unfortunately,